What animals can you see on the farm?
I can see cows.
I can see bulls.
I can see calves.
I can see buffaloes.
I can see goats.
I can see sheep.
I can see lambs.
I can see pigs.
I can see piglets.
I can see horses.
I can see ponies.
I can see donkeys.
I can see mules.
I can see chickens.
I can see roosters.
I can see hens.
I can see chicks.
I can see ducks.
I can see drakes.
I can see ducklings.
I can see geese.
I can see goslings.
I can see turkeys.
I can see guinea fowls.
I can see pigeons.
I can see doves.
I can see rabbits.
I can see hares.
I can see dogs.
I can see puppies.
I can see cats.
I can see kittens.
I can see bees.
I can see silkworms.
I can see earthworms.
I can see mice.
I can see rats.
I can see oxen.
I can see swans.
I can see peacocks.
Thank you for watching.